the Java Beans YouTube channel. Let's just jump right into it by creating a new project. This Java project, we hit the next button and then we call it Randomizer because today we're going to make the randomizer method. And the randomizer method is easily done, and we're just going to call it 2 because I had some issues here. I already created one project, but let's just go with this one. We're going to create the main class in the main, and then we're just going to make a quick main here, and then just jump into this randomizer method. Let's just call it public, and then we're going to public static, and then we're just going to call it integer, and let's get the randomizer a name for this, and we're gonna just call it randomizer just on the all the way onto the easy names, and then we're just gonna call it this parameter is gonna give it to an integer type, and then we call it minimum, min for minimum, and then integer the maximum here, because this is where we're gonna put the minimum of the random numbers and the maximum of the random numbers, and this is just a span that we're gonna use in order to generate these random numbers. And before we can dig into how to get the random numbers, we're just gonna use this instance of random that is built into Java, and this is gonna let us make easily these random numbers, because all we had to do here in the main, in the randomizer method is just to call to say return at the bottom, because every method that does not have the void as the type for the method is going to have a return, and this is going to be the return random dot next integer, and then in here it's where we're going to put the min and the maximum. And first of all we're going to put the maximum, and then we're going to minus the minimum, to add, minus the minimum, and then add 1, and then out here we're going to plus the minimum, because what it's going to do is it's going to use this and ensure that we do not hit minus of the minimum. So it's not going to get out of bounds if it does not have any value down there. So if it's just 0, then what we can do now is we can put it in a for loop. In the for loop we can generate these random numbers, and by this we're going to run this 9 times, an iteration of 10 starting at 0, and this is going to generate random numbers. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put in for the first iteration. We're just going to put a randomizer, and then we're going to put it 1 to 10, and then we're going to see what's going to happen, because what we need to do is also we need to system out printline this in order to get the randomizer printed. And let's just see what this does, because this should print out some random numbers 10 times from 0 to 10. And let's look at it. It's printing, and that's beautiful, because that's what all we wanted is just these random numbers. And that's all for now, because I don't have anything else. So have a nice day, and then let's hope to see you again soon.